Hi friends, this is EduGuru Solutions. Today I'm going to explain about a macro command in Excel. This is a very important command. So please listen carefully. Actually, macro is an action or set of instructions that you can use to automate tasks in Excel. For example, I took Mark's memo of class A, class B, class C, class D, and class E. Five classes are there, and I just entered from column A to column L. Regarding class A, I am talking about, and class B, similar columns from A to L, class C, A to L, and class D from A and L columns, and class E similar. So before making a macro command, you should mention all the column field names in the same column cells. So that is very important. So actually a macro is an action or set of instruction, as I already told you, to automate tasks. But one thing you have to remember, macros are recorded in Visual Basic Application Program language. You can always run a macro by clicking macro commands in view. Here in view command, in view menu, here you have macros. You can record a macro, you can view macro. So later on you check it, and you can always run a macro by clicking macros command on view ribbon. So depending on how a macro is assigned to run. So that is very important. Actually, you can give a shortcut key from keyboard. So we can run by pressing a control combination shortcut key from keyboard, any letter with the combination of control key. So now let me explain how to run a command key. So from class A to class E. So I'm going to just enter a formula for total and percentage result grade in class A. So for B, I'm not going to enter. So whatever I do, actions, whatever events with mouse and keyboard strokes recorded in macro, that I apply in class B and class C as well in class D and E. And in class A, how I record, please just watch carefully. So let me start before I explain. The result of this candidate is declared only based on 40 marks in all the subjects that he is declared as pass. And when comes to grade, so for distinction that should be above 75, as we all know. First class for 60%. Second is declared for 50%. So let me explain in total column. So that is in I3. So let me explain before that, and before that let me how to record a macro where we are discussing now. So I'm going to record, click here, and here macro 1 in macro name. There you have to give a name, marks memo. So space is not allowed, marks memo. Here in shortcut key, I will give any letter from keyboard. For example, I cannot give S because the combination of control and S is used for save. So that's why something unique. So let me press shift and Q. So little rare key. So that is enough here. So let me click OK to start macro recording. So you can see a button here. So when recording is started, so you will see a macro running command here. We can press that for pause and stop. Okay. Here you see. Here, a macro is currently recording. Click to stop recording. So now I'm going to start entering formula in total. So listen carefully, my friends. So equals if. So with the help of sum, open parenthesis, from C3 to H3. I'm going to close parenthesis. I just printed. I got the total of all these subjects of this student. Now I'm going to find percentage of this student equals, very easy my friends, and total I3 by 6 number of subjects, that is 6. I just press enter. 51.50. So I got percentage here. So let me check here result. So condition is all the subjects must be above 40. So by using if formula, if open parenthesis, I just enter and, because I'm going to compare more than one subject. If and, so what is the cell address of C3? First subject is in C3, 58. So C3 is greater than equals to 40, comma, D3 is greater than equals to 40, E3 is greater than equals to 40, F3 is greater than equals to 40, G3 is greater than equals to 40, H3 greater than equals to 40. So let me say here, close the parenthesis, comma, I will say more than 40. So he is declared as pass, or else I just declare as fail. So his here result is declared only based on 40 marks secured in all the subjects. So if and all the subjects here, close the parenthesis, comma. So if he is more than 40, pass or fail. Just I am going to enter key from the keyboard. So I got the result because he is failed, because when you compare all this, he got in subject 5 less than 40 here. So I am going to enter grade, very important. Please just watch carefully, friends, using F formula. So if open parenthesis, so result is declared only based on fail and pass, and grade is also declared so based on pass or fail. So let me explain. If K3 and K3 equals to pass, otherwise no distinction, second class or first grade is not declared. So let me explain here. If K3 equals to pass, open parenthesis, if J3 is greater than equals to 75, so I should say distinction, comma, if open parenthesis J3 is greater than equals to J3 greater than equals to 60. So I declare first, if J3 is greater than equals to 50, I declare second. If J3 is greater than equals to 40, I just declare third. Now I'm going to close all the parentheses here. Let me check how many I opened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here I'm going to close 5 parenthesis 5, then just comma. So whoever fail, I just give him space. The last 6 one I close here. So let me enter the enter key from keyboard. See, because he failed, I just give empty place. So let me drag all the columns here. You see here, the one who pass is declared grade. One who got failed and he is given empty. So this is how to do a macro command. Now I'm going to stop recording. I just stopped. I stopped. This is recorded with the help of Control Shift and Q key. So my friends, I hope you understand better. Macro command is so easy to do it, and also you can apply in later on in class B. So let me apply the same shortcut key in class B. See, class B, Control Shift Q. See, this is done in class B. I'll go to class C and let me press Control Shift Q. See, this is applied here. Different marks, different people, and the same command. Control D, Control Shift Q. See, I'm just pressing shortcut key. I don't need to do repeatedly the same formulas for different total percent result grades of other classes. So class E, just Control Shift and Q. So I got the result by just pressing Control key and Shift key and Q. So this is so easy, my friends. So I hope you understand how to do a macro in Excel. It's so easy. uh, I think if you like my video, please share and subscribe. Please do not forget to subscribe. I think you can see my future videos if you subscribe and share my videos, my friends. Thank you very much for watching.